Hello there, hi guys. It's nearly 2 p.m. and I'm just opposite Mount Snowdon. Okay, and I'm standing by the lake. The lake is called Léine. It's a Welsh word. It's a lovely lake here, and behind me you can see the magnificent kind of range of mountains here, and they're in the form of gorges like you find in China. So you've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 gorges, 6, 7. I can see 7. So you can actually collate. What I mean by collate is put together each of the mountains, and it becomes a kind of each one is classified as a gorge, and you can see gorges here, and it's standing quietly just near the lake. So you can actually see the lake. The lake is calm. It's not too windy today, and also you can see the there's a boat. I don't think in the summer season you can actually bring your family, some friends here, or your partner, and you can go on a boat ride. There is a season for boat riding as well. Okay, and you can explore these gorges. So you can just go to the other end and do trailing or trekking, whatever you wish to do. And here you can see there's a phone mast, so the local community around here, they get their signal, broadband signal from the phone mast there. There's a phone mast, sorry, there's a broadband tower or a phone mast, whatever you call it. Okay. There is no boat riding activity today because today's Sunday. The temperature, it's a bit chilly, it's a bit cold, but I do recommend that you come in warm clothing, like I have, with a jacket, and just wear special trekking shoes. And it's a cloudy day today, but if you're walking, trekking, or driving, you will in this time of month, which is autumn, experience some kind of drizzle, some rain drizzle. Let me tell you something about North Wales. You do tend to get plenty of rain here. But surprisingly enough, at this time, I'm not experiencing any drizzle or rain at the moment, but there are chances of drizzle, showers and whatever. But yeah, it's pretty cloudy today, but you can still see the lovely gorges in front of me, and I believe that gorges are beginning to be tucked by the clouds, so the clouds are coming closer to the gorges. It's plenty of greenery, very good for mental health. Very good for any sports if you're and here you can see range of, you can see plenty of trees here. You can see one of the kind of a mansion house on the other side of the lake, which is kind of tucked in into the range of trees forest. So plenty of trees here. It's pretty beautiful, lovely, and if we're lucky, we may be able to get some intermittent sunshine if it wants to come through to the clouds. But yeah, it's a lovely experience, and it's not too windy. It's just kind of a lovely, bright, a feel of a breeze to your face. It's not a very, very cold breeze. It's just kind of a bit of a mixture between a touch of warm and a cold breeze. So if I want to put it into, if you want me to put it into proper context. But yeah, do look out for my next vlog, and thank you.